Good morning, children. Hi, it's Mr. Degnan here. Here's your assignment for this week. We are going to be working on poetry, as you know, and this assignment here is regarding the Storyworks poem, The Cup of Ocean. Whoops, looks like I messed up over here and put The Cup of the Ocean. So in this here, you have the link will be posted on Classroom, as you know, and you will have a video that you're going to watch first from the editor of Storyworks. She's not the author of the poem. She is one of the editors at Storyworks. This one, Rebecca Leon. And she's going to just kind of talk to you real quick about the poem. She's going to read it to you. She's going to have a little bit of a challenge for you that you'll find out about in a moment. So after you read the poem and watch the video, there are two question sets here. So we've got one, this is the Cup of Ocean questions. This one has some multiple choice questions to it and two constructed response. Remember, these have to be done using complete sentences and evidence. Okay, so please make sure that you remember that. And there's also the cup of, let me just kind of change that now because it's the cup of ocean, not the cup of the ocean. You have this other poetry kit here, which is going to give you a deeper look at it. And in this one, you're analyzing the title and the poet, so you have to put the information there. You also have some key words that you need to know when you're reading this poem. So what they want you to do in this part is they want you to just kind of, either write your own definition of the word or give a synonym, which is a word that means the same, or any kind of a device in another way that helps you remember the meaning of the word. So this part is very open because it's determined about what's going to help you understand the meaning of glint, wayward, idly, breakers, gallant, and mystic. In this section here, we're asking you certain poetry questions like how many lines does it have? Remember, the lines they're not sentences, they're the groupings of words within each stanza. And then it says, if you reread line one, how does it prepare you for the rest of the poem? So on and so forth. So please read these questions carefully. You'll notice that these here are all written response questions. So give yourself some time with them, please. Don't be spending hours upon hours at a time. I mean, you should, if you break this up over to the next, week, you'll have more than enough time to finish this assignment by next Monday. And then finally, and this is the part that I love the absolute most, you do have a Flipgrid Poetry Slam. So this is similar to your rap, but in this one here, you're going to find the poem. It could be very short, a few lines, doesn't matter to me, or long, totally up to you. You're going to memorize the poem, and then you're going to recite it on a Flipgrid. You can have your face on the screen, or you can have images that represent the theme of the poem. I want you to also just have fun with it, though. Okay, like if the mood of the poem is dark, then let your tone of your voice be that way. If the mood of the poem is very light and happy, let your voice be light and happy. That's what I'm looking for with poetry. Our voices match how the mood carries through in the poem, and we're going to be doing more with lyrical poems next week with music and lyrics. So if you have any questions, please make sure that you message me at Edsby. Reach out to one another. I've seen some great support coming to each of you from each of you regarding questions that we've had on these assignments. Please make sure that you're continuously looking for any missed assignments on Edsby, and just pace yourself out so you can keep up with your work. I'm really looking forward to what you all come up with for these. And remember, this is going to be due by next Monday. So it gives you today, which is Tuesday the 21st, till Monday the 27th to get it done, which is more than enough time if you just break it up over the next few days. Okay, please let me know if you have any questions. Take care and hope you're staying well.